If you try to learn Perplexity AI by scrolling through YouTube, you will get buried. 50 tutorials show up. Some drag on for an hour, others barely touch the surface, and you spend more time hunting for that right video than actually learning anything. I watched 47 Perplexity tutorials, so you don't have to. The result? You only need 2. One to teach you how the tool works, and one to show you how to use it for real projects. Together, they are about 27 minutes. Let me explain why these 2 are enough and what each one will do for you. First pick, How to Use Perplexity AI by Paul J. Lipski. I almost skipped this tutorial. Plain thumbnail, nothing flashy at all. But within the first minute, it does something most tutorials miss. He goes straight to settings and shows the AI data retention toggle. If you have ever searched for anything sensitive at work or even your own personal information, this setting matters. It controls whether your activity can be used to improve the model. It's 2 seconds to toggle, and most tutorials never tell you it exists. This alone makes this video worth watching, but Lipski doesn't stop there. He explains the focus feature, which is where Perplexity becomes genuinely useful for real research. A lot of people type a question and accept whatever ranking the AI engine gives them, often SEO optimized blogs and affiliate posts. Lipski shows how switching to social focus redirects results towards community-driven platforms like Reddit and X. That changes the output from polished marketing to raw user experience. I tested it on best noise cancelling headphones when I was looking for a headphone to buy, and the regular search gave me sponsored listicles. On the other hand, the social focus pulled Reddit threads where actual users argued about whether a headset will drown out a crying baby on a plane. That is the actionable intelligence you want. Another thing Lipski covers is spaces. Think of spaces as more than folders. They are persistent contexts. You can define a space to act like a senior Python developer, for example, who only references official documents. And every prompt inside that space will inherit that rule. You don't have to repeat context or instructions every time you ask a question. Lipski shows you how to set that up. And once you use spaces like that, your follow-up queries get far more consistent and professional. And that is video 1, the mechanics. Settings to protect you, focus to find real insights, and spaces to keep your work organized and reproducible. Watch this first to stop wasting time and avoid embarrassing data mistakes at work and at home too. Now the second video, Perplexity Labs Explained by Enovair. While Lipski teaches you how to operate the tool, Enovair shows you what to build with it. Labs isn't just a fancy search result. It produces deliverables, charts, dashboards, reports that you can hand over to a boss or client with just a few tweaks. Enovair does something I hadn't seen elsewhere. She takes the same prompt, runs it through deep research, and then runs it through labs so you can see the side-by-side difference. Deep research gives you solid written findings. Labs, on the other hand, turns those findings into visuals, competitor charts, pricing graphs, customer pinpoint maps, presentation-ready outputs you can use immediately. She walks through 3 different practical examples that make the point obvious. Example 1 is a market research brief for a coffee brand. Labs built a competitor analysis, complete with charts and visual comparisons that normally take days to put together. Example 2 is a content creator dashboard that tracks trending topics and even includes a button that generates new video ideas based on current searches. This is huge if you make videos or articles and need consistent ideas. Example 3 is a brand mood board for a cologne company. typography, color palettes, photo directions, and packaging mockups that look like they came from a design agency. When I tried that workflow myself, it produced professional-looking assets in minutes. The other big practical detail Enovair emphasizes is the Assets tab. Many AI tutorials show cool things stuck inside a chart where you end up screenshotting them. But Labs stores output as downloadable files, charts, images, and whole project exports as PDF or Word. So you can actually hand them off. That's the bridge from nice demo to actual work product. So here is our simple plan. Watch Lipski first, learn the settings, focus modes, and how to structure spaces. Then watch Enovair to see how Labs turns research into finished deliverables. Together, you will spend about 27 minutes. You will protect your data, research smarter, and produce shareable work without paying for a design agency or spending days compiling results. Bonus tip: combine both. Create a space in Lipski Sense for each big project, then run labs inside that space. Your context stays consistent and your output stay organized. Both video links are in the description. 2 videos, 1 tool mastered. Minimal fluff. Your time saved. Remember, I watched tons of videos, so you only have to watch 2. And if there's any AI video or even any tool at all that you want me to cover, I'm ready to spend all that time watching the videos to select the 2 best for you. See you in the next video.